Good morning.
Good morning, everybody. Wow, we are ambitious this morning because we have been up since 5 a.m. because Disney's Hollywood Studios opened at 7. And to get a boarding pass for Rise of the Resistance, I'm sure you know this, but really quick, to get a boarding pass for Rise of the Resistance, you have to be in the park at some point to be able to get one. The earlier you're in, the better chances you have of getting an early boarding pass. We got lucky. We are, number 27, so we're only one away. So I wanted to share with you our experience and tips on how we got an early boarding pass, and I think there's a trick, and I'm going to share that at the end of this video because it worked for us.
Boarding right now. Now boarding 9 through 27.
All right, well, guess what? We got to go. Hey, follow along with us and share our experience. Let's go. All right, so quick tip. First thing in the morning, the Toy Story Land entrance to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge is not open. So you have to come through the side entrance by Star Tours.
You can't get there from here.
Wow, the standby queue is lovely. Share with us your experience. What are you feeling right now? Bouncy.
Commander 9 now, please report back to IGS cockpit.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the call. It is vital that you keep the location of the Bakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative.
Thank you, Lieutenant.
Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships, launch.
Attention security detail.
3.
Right here. We're gonna go sitting in the middle.
Right here.
Down on your feet. Remember the color you are standing on. What color are you on? Very good. Turn around and face the sun. This is going that way.
Is this Willy Wonka's? With the piano? Like Rachmaninoff gonna play?
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
Go ahead, guys.
Blue right to your left.
Blue.
Orange and silver over here, blue and red right over here. All right, what's your name?
Then we have the recruits.
Wow.
Okay. R5, you take good care of
Okay.
it. It's up to you.
Send this corridor to the turbo lift.
Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer.
Wow.
Did it work? Good. Now get a move on.
Wait, there goes the prisoners.
Two droids anyway. This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's no way.
Attention! All Resistance personnel! Abandon ship! I repeat! Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know. Scan for his pod beacon.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification ending from Key Command personnel.
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo!
All right. We just got off the ride. Yeah, it was amazing. It was amazing. I wasn't prepared for that drop at the end. I don't like drops. But other than that,
I was sure they were going to get us.
so we queued up. We had our magic band scanned at 8:52. It is now 9:60 or 7:52. 7:52. It is now 8:16. So it's about 25 minutes.
Once they call your boarding group.
Once they call your boarding group and you walk through the queue, and there's several kind of stop stations. But wow, so beautiful. The track is really, really smooth. The effects are amazing. I still don't know how they do that lightsaber cutout.
It's ferociously immersive.
Oh, it's so good.
You're really there.
The effects and the animatronics are
Kylo Ren scared.
yeah.
I peed him.
You peed in your pants. All right, guys, that'll do it for Rise of the Resistance. Can I speak? For Rise of the Resistance, we're gonna go and check out the rest of Star Wars. Oh no, actually, you guys haven't talked about the shower up there. So you get to do all the dropping, and I'm gonna wait the gift shop. We had a really early boarding pass, so we only had to wait about an hour, a little less. When the park
we were
opened.
number 27, and it was just about an hour.
I have been doing my research as to which way is the fastest. What we found was don't be on Disney Wi-Fi and check my status, the check status button. Hit that and keep refreshing that, and it'll come up and say join boarding group instead of trying to do it at the beginning.
Yep.
So give that a shot. If you have more than one person in your group, we tried different ways. So we had somebody on Wi-Fi, we had somebody at the opening page, we had somebody checking status.
I saw multiple people actually carrying multiple devices doing it at the same time with two hands.
Oh, wow.
And if you're going to do that, I would do one on Wi-Fi and one on cellular at the same time.
Yeah. All right, guys. That'll do it for real. Thanks. Bye.